In today's video, we take a closer look at the repair of Actia displays. We'll walk you through the service process and show how we support companies that rely on this type of equipment. These are highly specialized devices used mainly in rail and bus transportation, where reliability is crucial. If you're noticing issues such as discoloration, vertical or horizontal lines, backlight problems, or communication errors, we can help. We specialize in complete repairs of these displays. Every repair begins with a detailed diagnostic procedure. We verify the main board, power, and communication circuits, as well as the display matrix itself. Using meters, an oscilloscope, and dedicated software, we check signal integrity, communication stability, and processor performance, ensuring we know exactly which components require repair or replacement. We then move on to the repair stage. We only use original or certified spare parts. This allows us to guarantee the quality of our service. Every refurbished panel is covered by our standard 2-year warranty, regardless of the scope of the repair. For BGA rework, we use a FineTech FinePlacer core system. This precise equipment allows us to replace even the smallest components with sub-millimeter accuracy. Accurate positioning, controlled temperature, and even heating protect the device during the process and ensure a perfect and durable solder joint. Each component is carefully aligned, heated and soldered with the help of flux, and then inspected under a microscope. Thanks to this precision, we can restore full functionality even to the most sensitive devices. Once the unit is reassembled, it undergoes a series of final tests. We verify image stability, proper power delivery, and communication with the vehicle system. Graphic tests help us detect even the smallest defects. Finally, we complete a test report documenting the results of diagnostics and verification. Every panel goes through a full quality control process before returning back into service. With a proven workflow, carefully selected components, and professional tools, we restore the performance of devices that play a key role in road and rail transportation. Reliable displays ensure passengers get the information they need on time for a more comfortable journey.